Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really exciting and different video. I will be ranking all of my Huda Beauty palettes and I'll be telling you guys which one are the best and which one are a miss. If you guys are planning to buy Huda Beauty palettes and you want to know which one are the best and which one can be missed, so keep watching the video. So I have 4 palettes over here. These are all her larger palettes that have been launched in India. I do not own her smaller palettes because I did not like the formula so much in her smaller palettes. However, I'm crazy about her bigger palettes. I have all of them because I love them a lot. So all of her bigger palettes are made in Italy and they are kind of a little more costlier than the smaller palettes, and all of her smaller palettes are made in China, so there is a lot of difference with the textures of the eyeshadow itself in the smaller and bigger palettes. However, her bigger palettes are loved. So I will be ranking all of these palettes from my least favorite to my most favorite. So out of all the larger Huda Beauty palettes that I own, this is my least favorite palette. This is New Nude palette and this is the color scheme, you guys. Although this is a gorgeous palette in itself, however, all the colors in this palette turn out to be pink on your eyes. They look a little beige in the pan somehow, but they look pink on your eyes. So the only kind of looks that I could come up with this one were really pinky or maybe a little deep pink, but then all of them were in the shades of pink. So I do not reach out for this palette a lot because not every day do I want to wear a pink eye look. So as far as the name suggests, nude, I expected a little bit of more beige brown nudes as well. However, it just has pink nudes and lighter pinks and a little darker pinks and pink glitter, and the shimmers are beautiful definitely in this palette. But out of all the 4 palettes that I have from Huda Beauty, this is the one that I have used the least out of all of them. So you could definitely go and buy this if you like this color scheme. It has berries, it has dusty pinks and a lot of other pinks and some really nice shimmers and 2 pressed glitters over here. This is really pretty for somebody who really loves pinky eye looks. However, I'm not that person. Now the next palette has been a huge cult favorite palette. This is Huda Beauty Desert Dusk and this is how it looks. This has some really amazing corals and browns and oranges going on, and there's 1 pressed glitter over here, and there's a suede shade which is very light beige and a lot of great shimmers as well. So this is an amazing palette, but out of all the 4 palettes, this is also not the one that I use a lot. You can definitely count on this palette if you want some deserty autumny looks. All that fall colors are so beautifully integrated in this palette. As you see, half of this palette is really bright purples, browns. This is a really beautiful shade as well, and all the shimmers on the other side go really well when you want to top up any of these looks with a shimmer. So this is my 3rd favorite eyeshadow palette from Huda. It is amazing, but because this is one of her older palettes, when I received it, a lot of the shimmer shadows were not as creamy as they are in her other palettes. This is the reason this is ranking on 3rd for me, but the color scheme is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Now moving on to my 2nd favorite palette from Huda Beauty, which has been my go-to since the time it has been launched, and this is Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. There are shades in this palette that I still go back to no matter what eye look I'm doing, and the wear and tear you can see on this palette, you would definitely know how much I love it. These 2 shades over here, Sandalwood and Henna, I just keep going back to these 2 to use in my transition. No matter what kind of palette I'm using and what eye look I'm using, these are just so amazing for your transition colors and all that. And there is something that I absolutely love about this palette, and I have not found that in any other palette whatsoever. This is this shade right here. It's called Pink Diamond, and let me show you guys. This is the most beautiful pink shimmer that I've ever seen. No other eyeshadow palette has ever made such a beautiful pink color. This pink color is so unique to this palette. This one is so versatile. It has lighter colors, it has darker berry, it has a black, it has amazing shimmers in the front row, and it has basically everything that you need to have amazing eye looks. And it's just so versatile. You can have a lot of different eye looks with this. You can have soft glam, you can have really amazing smoky eyes, glitter smoky eyes, and the list is just endless. You can just do 1,000 many things with this one. Not just from Huda, if I rank all of my palettes that I own, I still love this one a lot. This is one of the top most amazing palettes out there, you guys. So if you have any thoughts on buying this one, just go for it. Now it's time for my most favorite Huda Beauty palette ever, and it is this one right here. This is Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I have said this before whenever I have made tutorials on this palette, that this is the world's most gorgeous palette ever, you guys. This turquoise shimmer over here, the purple shimmer over here, all these nudes, this color Karma is love to me. The shimmers are just to die for in this palette. I absolutely love the color scheme with this palette. I could just use this every day of my life. That's how much I love it. If you guys have thoughts about buying this one, guys, this is the best palette, not just in Huda Beauty, in the entire world. So this is absolute love to me, you guys. You can absolutely buy this without any second thoughts. This is the best Huda Beauty palette in all of her palettes. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much.